In this video, we'll be looking at a couple of trig equations. Our first example, we're asked to solve sine theta equals 1 over the square root of 2, given that theta is between 0 degrees and 360 degrees, including the 0 but not the 360. So basically, we're looking for the angle that has a sine of 1 over root 2. Now, I would recommend drawing a picture of our reference triangles because this is one of our special triangles. Basically, we're talking about one revolution, but our sine function is positive in quadrants 1 and 2. So those are the only two places where I have to draw a reference triangle. Sine is defined as opposite over hypotenuse. So we have 1 and then a root 2 on my hypotenuse on both of them. And we know that this is a 1, 1, root 2, so it's a 45, 45 right triangle. So one of my solutions to this equation is 45. And then the other one, I have a 45-degree reference angle, but I need to take 180 and subtract 45 to get that value, and I can see that it's going to be 135. So 135 degrees. Let's do another one. On this one, we're asked to solve the equation 2 plus radical 3 secant theta equals 0, given that theta is between 0 and 360, not including the 360. So in this one, we want to isolate our secant theta, so let's subtract the 2 from both sides, and this will cancel, and I have root 3 times the secant theta equals a negative 2. Then I can divide both sides by square root of 3. And I get secant theta is equal to a negative 2 over square root of 3. Now, this is one of our reciprocal functions. So I'm going to write the reciprocal. If secant theta is this ratio, then cosine theta will be a negative root 3 over 2. Notice all I did was turn this upside down. Alright, now I can draw my reference triangles. I know that cosine is negative in quadrant 2 and 3, and cosine is defined as adjacent over hypotenuse. So my adjacent side is going to be a negative square root of 3, and my hypotenuse is 2 on both. Alright, so this looks like one of our special triangles again. This will be a 1 over here, and we know that the reference angle that's across from the 1 is 30. So 30 is the reference angle in both triangles. So 180 minus 30 is 150 for this one. And 180 plus 30 is 210.